Hello and welcome to an update about Mana Decentraland. Just a quick update here from a daily point of view. We did move up in an impulsive move up back in November 21, and we then came down here in a wave 2 in a long ABC wave. Very good chart. Absolutely, I said that before. No reason to be concerned at the moment about Mana from a chart point of view. Yeah, looking at this technically. And also a textbook correction, ABC, and we came down here into this area. This is just the area that is most likely for such a wave 2 correction, here between the 88.7 and the 78.6% Fib level, between 67 cents and 126. If this is a wave 1 and this down here a wave 2, we could already be working on our breakout to the upside. Next target, yeah, or large target or long-term target for a wave 3. So like the largest level wave count we have on the chart here at the moment would be the 1.618 Fib extension at $9.40. So pretty much a 10x from now, a bit more. Yeah. So this would be looking at from a higher level wave count point of view. Zooming in here a little bit, we can see that I did mention to you already weeks ago, I believe here this was middle of May, that Mana was one of the cryptos that looked most bullish. Yeah, and so far this has not been invalidated at all. This is still all going, I wouldn't say according to plan, but this is still in the chart. You can still see it. Yeah, so Mana is one of the cryptos that didn't make a lower low here on the 18th of June. It actually back here in May came up, moved down, but didn't make a lower low. Yeah, where we've seen many cryptos making lower lows here again. While a lot of cryptos that came up here early in May were looking very, let's say, bearish. This move up here for many cryptos was just corrective as a setback then, but Mana was pretty much one of the few that actually looked impulsive. And this is still visible in the chart because we didn't make a lower low. So we could still, I told you that in previous videos, this is absolutely still possible to see it like that, that the low was in here actually on the 12th of May, just below this yellow target area at around 60 cents, that this here was a wave 1. We then created here a wave 2. The next one up should be a wave 3, then a 4 down and a 5 up. This is what we would need to see now, and Mana would need to prove this, that we're already working on our breakout. But if this is the case and this here will be a wave 3, then it needs to really start doing something. And to be fair, from the low here again, from the 18th, 19th of June, we've already moved up again quite strongly. So again, this was also a 43% move. After we had here quite a strong move up, then obviously came down. We came down and adhered very well to the Fibonacci retracement level. So for a wave 2, one ideal target is the 78.6% Fib level. And you can see here how well the price adhered to the 78.6% Fib level here. So perfectly to that 76 cent level. And since then we are moving up, you could say impulsively. And this could be, again, the early stages of a wave 3 to the upside. What would be the overall target for this wave 3? Let's take a look at that from a Fibonacci extension point of view. That would be $1.93. Then a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. The wave 5 up, simple target for now, could reach the 268 level here, the 2.618 Fib extension. So then we're already talking about some very interesting prices. All of this then would be corrected again so we would then see this move as a wave 1, and then afterwards you would see an ABC correction down in a wave 2. So all of this move up here would be corrected again, and then we might land around, let's see, just speculating here where prices might be heading to, because I don't know at the moment how high wave 5 will really go. So I cannot really calculate any targets for here for the correction, but $1.40 would be a good retracement level. Again, maybe even $1.05, either 61.8 or the 78.6% Fib level. However, to really confirm that we are going up, there's a few things that need to happen. First of all, we will need to go above the 50-day moving average here that is currently at 98 cents. It did push the price down. Yeah, we can currently see that a lot of cryptos are being pushed down by the 50-day moving average. Now, if we go through these moving averages, the 50-day one, that will be significant. As soon as the first cryptos push through, that will be definitely bullish. At the moment, a lot of cryptos get pushed down by this moving average. And then, yeah, we need to break above that, and then in the next instance go above the wave 1 high at 136. A very clear move below the low of here 72 cents would, in my opinion, indicate that the overall low probably wasn't in. Yeah, and then we can still then count it as a 1-2, but as soon as you go below 60 cents, that's it. Then it's invalidated anyway, and then we will need to look at. So for now, this could still be a wave 2, even if we make a slightly lower low. But if we go below 60 cents, this first impulse up is completely invalidated. Yeah. So these are the levels that I'm watching out for at the moment. Looking here a little bit on the daily chart, we can see we've made a bullish crossover. Okay, this was prevented again. We just see that now here. So sideways movement at the moment. Yeah. So don't take the ADX too seriously. We need to break here to the upside. We need to make a bullish crossover. Now again, that has just been prevented. We are still holding bullish here on the RSI on the daily. We are not above 50, but we are in the area where we've crossed above that yellow line. So that is called a bullish crossover. MACD might make a cross above the 0 line here soon. So this would also be a bullish scenario or a bullish signal. What is definitely noteworthy and bullish is that the 4-day chart is turning to the upside. This has really happened so far only once before, and we moved significantly to all-time highs. Yeah, this is the second time here on the chart history that Mana makes a bullish crossover on the MACD on the 4-day chart, and the 4-day chart is quite meaningful. We also have a bullish crossover, or we had a bullish crossover here on the RSI on the 4-day chart, which is bullish as well. And we can see that the ADX and the DI lines here on the ADX are turning towards each other, which means that this is actually in the direction of a bullish development. As you can see, the green line is pushing higher, the red line is going down, which would go into the direction of a bullish crossover. So overall, yeah, starting to look interesting here for Mana, I have to say that. So definitely worth watching the chart. And while a breakout to the upside is not yet confirmed, it is one of the more bullish charts that we can see here at the moment. All right, and that is my view about Mana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.